So first I got some chicken thighs and the green beans, some olive oil, some white wine, heavy whipping cream, garlic, paprika, onion powder, parsley flakes, red pepper flakes, black pepper, garlic powder, sea salt, and butter. I can't cook with wine and not pour myself a glass. I didn't have any chicken broth, so I just used chicken bouillon and water. You want to cook your chicken up. And then here you want to add in your chicken broth or chicken bouillon and water, lemon juice, and red pepper flakes. And then you want to stir all of that in together and let it simmer